How to transfer PEPE from Bybit wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of the PEPE token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open your Bybit account and tap on assets. After that, tap on deposit. And as you can see here, tap on deposit crypto. Now, what you need to do here in the search bar, type the PEPE name. And now after you found your token, now just tap on it. And now as you can see here, just select the Ethereum as a network, and now you can copy the address or the withdrawal address of your token. Now just go back, as you can see, just go back to the home. Now we need to open our Bybit wallet. From the top, tap on Web3. Now wait a few seconds to open your Bybit wallet. And now as you can see here, we can now send the PEPE token. So if you don't find the PEPE token here, what you need to do, just tap on these three lines like that, as you can see, just tap on it, and now select the Ethereum as a network like that from the chosen network. And now in the search, you can search for your token like that, as you can see. Now after you find the PEPE token, what you need to do, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So wait a few seconds to add this token to your wallet, and now go back to your wallet like that, as you can see. So after you find your token, as you can see, this is now you can transfer it. Now just tap on it, and now as you can see here, so because I don't have any fund, I can't tap on send. So after you tap on send, you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account, and you can type the amount that you want to transfer and tap on the confirm, and you will be able to transfer the PEPE from the Bybit wallet to Bybit. So this is how to transfer PEPE from Bybit wallet to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.